Checking your DoorDash gift card balance.
Hello there. Today, we are going to talk about a very practical topic: how to check the balance on your DoorDash gift card. If you're not sure how much money you have left on your gift card, this guide will show you the steps to find out. Let's dive in.
What do you need?
Before you start, ensure you have your DoorDash gift card and access to the DoorDash app or website.
Using the DoorDash app.
If you are using the DoorDash application, follow these steps. 1. Open the DoorDash app on your phone or tablet. 2. Sign in if you haven't already. 3. Tap on the account symbol, usually located at the bottom right of your screen. 4. In the account options, click on Payment Methods. 5. Under this section, you should see your gift card balance if you've previously added your gift card to your account. If you haven't added your gift card to your account yet, you will need to add it first to view the balance. 1. In the Payment Methods section, click on Add Payment Method. 2. Choose Gift Card. 3. Input your gift card information, and it will then show the current balance of the gift card.
Using the DoorDash website.
If you prefer to use the DoorDash website, the process is similar. 1. Go to the DoorDash website and sign into your account. 2. Click on the Account tab, usually located on the top right of the screen. 3. Then, click on Payment Methods in the drop-down. 4. Your gift card balance will be displayed if you have already added a gift card to your account. To add a new gift card, the process is as follows. 1. In the Payment Methods section, click on Add Payment Method. 2. Select Gift Card. 3. Enter your gift card information, and the balance of your gift card will then be displayed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily check the balance on your DoorDash gift card, so you can plan your next delicious meal accordingly. I hope this video has been helpful, and feel free to ask if you have any questions. Bon appétit!